Okay, so Aaron, what happened?
It's raining. We're on a rain day, and something just blew up outside our window.
So we heard an explosion, and now there's a bunch of dust and smoke and whatever. And we should close all our windows because that's coming in our direction. But then, so it's pouring out, it's high winds, and the power just went out. We heard the explosion, and then the power went out. So, anyway, that's what is happening here. That's crazy. I wonder what that thing was. And that car drove to the edge, took a look, and then now he's leaving.
There it was.
Shit, man.
Strike?
Maybe. Could have been a lightning strike. It didn't sound like thunder, though. It sounded like an explosion.
Huh.
It sounded like something hit something.
Wow, the whole city, like our whole grid just went off power.
Yeah, like this, all these blocks just went out. Okay, and that concludes my soldering session.
You guys next to us have power? Oh, you know what? Our circuit breaker. We have our own circuit breaker.
Oh, do we?
I don't know if it's like our whole building or if it's ours.
I wonder what's on that side of the parking garage that could explode. Huh.